Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to change your username on Plenty of Fish, that is a dating app. Now first of all, open your web browser, that is Firefox. Now after that, search in Plenty of Fish or type in POF.com, and after you have searched Plenty of Fish, then it will send you a link showing www.pof.com, and click on this link and it will send you to this website, that is the official site for Plenty of Fish. Now to change your username, go to my profile, which is going to be on the top bar of this website right here, and click on edit profile. And after you have hit edit profile, it will send you to this page, and scroll down a little, and as you can see here in the profile saying edit username, and this is the first username you have given, and click on change. Now to edit your username, you need to pay subscription on the plentyoffish.com, and after only paying your subscription, then you can change your username. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.